Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Today a very weird but also very interesting question. If you had all the money you can think of, which cars would you get? Is it still an electric car? I know most people watching here are interested in electric cars, I hope so. But would you get, I don't know, a sports car? So some internal combustion engine car, I don't know, the Mercedes Project One or whatever. What would be your car or more cars that you would be interested in? Maybe a Rolls Royce, something that's very comfortable. What is it? Or is it still an electric car? And for me, in the past, there were fossil cars, but right now all I want is electric cars. It's just way more fun, more torque and everything. And if I would have all the money that I can think of, I can think of a lot, I want the, of course, Tesla Model S long range, not the performance, because I want one car with the highest range and good charging speed. And I don't want the Model 3 because of all the things I already said with the interior. I just love Model S interior more, especially with the instrument cluster. But with the 100 kilowatt hour battery, you have very long range and good charging speed. It's totally my thing, and I like the looks of the Model S more than the Model 3. And the second car, I only want two cars. Maybe a third car for the city, if I would live near a city and have a tiny car, maybe a smart electric or something as tiny as possible, very little range, 100 kilometers or something, just very tiny to get into a city or whatever. But the second car would be the Reus C2. Looks awesome, sports car, amazing power. It just looks very interesting, and Rimac, I mean, or Rimac, I think. I don't know, it's Croatian. And I like the boss, so the founder. I don't know his first name, but I watched a few videos of him, and he's very passionate. I like that, and they're growing like crazy. It's and the C2 looks just very interesting, and yes, Tesla Roadster sounds interesting too, but it's kind of a different thing. It accelerates very fast and it is fast, but I think Rimac has more of a perspective on sport driving and something like this, and one Tesla is enough. So those will be my three cars. What will be your cars? I'm very interested to hear that. And maybe the third car should be the ID3. I don't know. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.